Hello again, everyone. I am Midshipman Cristiano Aguilar from the first year BSMT from the section G to A, and I'm here to memorize the Rule 24. So, Rule 24: Towing and Pushing. A. A power-driven vessel when towing shall exhibit, instead of the lights prescribed in Rule 23 and A or A2, two masted lights in a vertical line when the light of the tow measuring from the stern of the towing vessel to the after end of the two exceeds 200 meters. Three such light in a vertical line: first, side light; second, stern light; and third, a towing light in a vertical line above stern light. When the light of the tow exceeds 20 meters, a diamond shape where it can best be seen. Provided that any numbers of vessels being towed alongside of pushed in a group shall be lightened as one vessel. A vessel being pushed ahead not being part of the composite until shall exhibit at the forward ends side lights. A vessel being towed alongside shall exhibit a stern light and at the forward end side lights. An inconspicuous partly submerged vessel or object or combination of such vessel or objects being towed shall exhibit, if it is less than 25 meters in breadth, of all around white light at or near than a forward end and one at or near at the after end, except that Dracons needs to exhibit a light at or near the forward end. If it is 20 meters from the breadth, two additional all-around white lights at or near the extremities of its breadth. If it exceeds 100 meters in the length, additional all-round white lights between the lights prescribed in subparagraph 1 and 2, so that the distance between the lights shall exceed 100 meters. B. When pushing a vessel and a vessel being pushed ahead are rigidly connected in a composite unit, they shall be regarded as a power-driven vessel and exhibit the lights prescribed in Rule 23. C. A power-driven vessel when pushing ahead or towing alongside, except in the case of composite unit, shall exhibit, instead of the lights prescribed in Rule 23, A1 or A2, two masted lights in a vertical line, side lights, a stern light. A power-driven vessel to which paragraphs A or C of this rule apply shall also comply with Rule 23 in A2. E. A vessel or object being towed other than those mentioned in paragraph G of this rule shall exhibit side lights, stern light, when the light of the tow exceeds 20 meters, a diamond shape where it can best be seen. H. From any sufficient cause, it is impracticable for a vessel or object being towed to exhibit the lights or ships prescribed in paragraph E or G of this rule. All possible measures shall be taken to light the vessel or object towed, or at least to indicate the presence of such vessel or object. Where from any sufficient cause it is impracticable for a vessel not normally engaged in towing operation to display the lights prescribed in paragraph A or C of this rule. Such vessel shall not be required to exhibit those lights when engaged in towing another vessel in distress or otherwise in need of assistance. All possible measures shall be taken to indicate the nature of the relationship between the towing vessel and the vessel being towed, as authorized by Rule 36, in particular by illuminating the tow line.